Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Toyota Hilux Space Cab SR. Stock reference number 4598. This shape runs from the second month 2005 through the 8th month 2006. It has a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has unknown damage. We have the right hand headlight, Aftermarket ARB steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand headlight, left guard flag type, appears to have no damage, bonnet 4-wheel drive type, also appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. The left front has an average tyre, left manual door mirror, left front door has multiple dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. It's got a factory fitted tray. It does have some damage, rust on the fuel filler surround, and a slight damage on the left hand tail light guard. Supplied with all bolts and brackets. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets, less neck. 16-inch steel rim, factory, flat tyre. Right hand door, multiple small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage with an aftermarket Ironman snorkel. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central Loctite 2-door switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no controls. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.